Well, today has been such a successful day in eThekwini. We are inaugurating the 5th eThekwini Municipality Council after the successful 2016 local government elections. We have just elected our new mayor, Councillor Zandile Gumede. We are saying this is a significant period because Imbokodo is going to be leading and directing our city, the service delivery program of the city, but also includes, for example, providing youth opportunities. The many young people that are on the streets looking for work. It means now that we have Umama who's going to be leading our council. She will, as in Imbokodo, as in Zalabantu, work around the clock with all stakeholders. Sibambene sonke sithi akuthuthukiswe abantu abasha.